The flare in his eyes.
Hi.
Here.
Hi.
The camera. I'll hold it.
No, because I don't want to be on camera. Hi.
I know.
Hi.
Gucci goo.
Are you watching your mommy?
No, look at me. Look at me. I'm your cousin. You barely ever pay attention to me. Hi.
There's Lily.
Pay attention to me more often. Aww.
Hi.
Can I kiss him?
Sneeze.
That was rude.
What, that I sneezed?
No, that when I kissed him, his head went like this.
Oh, no, he was turning towards you because he felt you. Hi.
He was like turning the other way. I bet he doesn't like that, but I don't care.
There's the other ones. Say hi, guys. You're on video.
Hi. Get back to the car now. We can't see.
Oh, it's blurry for some reason. I don't know why it's blurry. There's Daniel.
Daniel's neck.
Daniel's giving kisses. Lily and Peyton are over there, but my camera's blurry for some reason.
I'm over here.
Oh, I mean, Peyton and Emma are over there. Okay, Daniel, get down so I can see the other one. Wait.
Let me go, look. Apple.
You're making it shake, Lil. Stop.
I know, Apple Land. Can I hold ties when I'm done with my homework?
Oh.
That's awesome, by the way. You should video him sometime.
Okay. There's Peyton. Hi, beautiful Peyton. Let me see. Ooh, nice.
It's about...
Hi.
It's Lily's game about making...
You smile. Hi. Hi.
You have this game about Mickey Mouse?
Daniel, stop. Hi.
Hi, Trisha.
Hi, Daniel. Don't get on the baby swing. That's too big. That's too little for you. That's for babies.
That's my mother. No, it's your mother.
Hi, Daniel.
Taylor, this is supposed to be a sarcastic.
Hi. Hi. He's like, get that camera out of my face.
You're right.
Aw, what's the matter? He's like, I've had enough. Okay, goodbye.